It kind of seems like in our day and age, you got to have batteries like this. Now, you have to have a bunch of different batteries, some for your watch, some for your remotes. They're not using your traditional AA or AAA anymore. So I got me the 2032 batteries. I needed to replace remote battery for my truck. So I got to replace the truck battery. And I am completely unsure about this brand. I've never used this brand before, but I will tell you this, these are really, really difficult to get out. So you can store them like this if that's how you want to store them, or you can pop them all out. But just getting this little battery out, well, you definitely need a knife to get it out of here. Yeah, hard to even get these punctured. So you're definitely going to want to use a watch. I think I said watch. You're going to definitely want to use a knife to get that out of here. But let's see. I'm going to put this in right there into my remote, and my car was telling me to replace the battery in the remote, so I just did that. We'll see how it works. Before, when my remote was dying, I couldn't unlock it. Now I had to stand really close. It seems to work. You can see, and the battery's good. I'm not sure how long it'll last, but I got plenty of them if they die. So far so good. So for this brand, for the price, definitely check them out.